Barrels all hot as BRP Antonio Luna FF 151 once again fired her 76mm super rapid multi-feeding SRMF gun, 30mm smash and .50 caliber guns in the event of GUNNEX during DAGIT-PA Exercise last the 11th of November 2022. Other air and surface assets participated in this event include BRP Gregorio del Pilar, PS-15, BRP Tarlac LD 601, Boat Attack Division Multi-Purpose Craft, BA-483, Patrol Craft BRP Heraclio Alano, PC-376, Augusta Westland, NH-430, and Philippine Air Force's A-29B Super Tucano attack aircraft. Naval assets typically participate in gunnery exercise as this is the best opportunity to train combat ships to deliver accurate fire against targets and to allow an evaluation of the performance of personnel and equipment. This time, COVALENTF-1F151 has once more demonstrated her accuracy in firing by successfully striking the target. AJEXDAGIT-PA, the most recent exercise emphasizes the aim of the command to validate the organizational structure, operational concepts, and published doctrines that addressed current and future scenarios in the operational areas, as well as its thrust to further improve the joint force and interoperability between the major branch of services of the AFP. Together, our mandate is to be responsive, adaptable, enduring and overwhelming force as we can in any circumstance where it may be necessary.